Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to show you another product which I use this already, and this is amazing, and I like this medicine because the silkiness and the natural straight is there. So I'm gonna use this medicine for rebonding next time, and I'm going to take a video. So by the way, this is the medicine hair crop. This is like a L'Oreal. So L'Oreal, and this is, I think this is the second from L'Oreal. If I'm going to rate this, it's 8 over 10 because it's not so expensive and the product is good. Product now, hair crop rebonding cream. It's 500 ml, and then it's a rebonding system with collagen, argan, and macadamia. So I like this product because the natural silky and shiny is there. So I used this already one time and will order this next time. So by the way, I got this only to my friend, so I only bought this for only 500 pesos. So this is the number 1 and this is the number 2. So this is the neutralizing cream. So this cream should put after this the number 1. So, and yes, that's it. So it's a neutralizing cream. So next time I'm going to take a video of this. I will show you how nice the product is, and you can buy it anywhere, I think, in your area. And shout out to all my subscriber and to all the people who are always watching my channel from the Philippines, India, United States, Pakistan, and everything. Thank you so much. So see you next time, guys. I'll just let you see the medicine, which I think is nice. So I hope you will watch my video next time because I'm going to take a video using this. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification below so that you will be updated to all my videos. Thank you so much, and God bless.